Hi guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you unboxing of BattlePack box. So let's start it. I will not do time pass in this video. Uh, where is BattlePack? See, here is BattlePack. I will buy this BattlePack of 20 gems. I have now 131 gems and 2 lakhs 2,100 524 money. So let's buy. Yeah, I have clicked it. Yes, I want it. Yes, it is opening now. Yay! How many? I get 25 gems, 1,648 money. Nice. One shield, one instant repair, one reactive armor. Yes, it is nice. Battle pack. I have many powers. You can see. I will show you. See, I have 24 reactive armor, 15 damage area, nitro. I have many of these, but I not use. I use in battle many time. I don't waste it. If you like my video, subscribe, share and like my channel and comment on what you want video. Bye guys.